Hi everyone, this is Andy from AORUS. Today I'm gonna give you the brief unboxing and also the review about our new AORUS 70-inch model, the AORUS X7 DT V8 gaming laptop. So let's take a look. So I'm now gonna show you the unboxing of the new X7 DT V8. Basically shares the same packing material as the last generation. And I will still want to highlight that the packing material of the X7 has won the IF Design Award 2018 because it's total environmental protection. So let me open this up. So here is the box of the X7, and you can see this is the X7 itself. Also we have the accessory box having the power cord, also the adapter of it. So let's take him out. This is the box for the adapter. It's 250 watt. Put this aside. And here's the power cord. It may vary based on your region. Power cord. So let me take the X7 out. So let me put this box aside. So this is the X7. Basically we show some wording about environmental protection. It was made by rice husk, so it will make no harm to your environment totally when you dispose it. So let me take the X7 out. Okay. So here's the X7. So here we go. This is a laptop. Let me put this aside first. I'm gonna show you what you can get inside the box. This is the user manual of the X7, and also this is the USB disk containing all the driver you will need for this laptop. So there will be the whole unboxing of the X7 DT V8. So after the brief unboxing, I would like to show you what kind of features on the X7 DT V8. So I guess you know that the biggest change on the new X7 DT V8 will be the performance. Talking about performance, we have two important units. One is the CPU, another one is the GPU. Talking about new CPU, it has the new Intel 8th Gen Core i7-8850H processor. It's overclockable as well. Keep the great tradition of the AORUS, and you could have about 10% performance gap. I mean 10% performance jump from the regular 8750H. And you can easily overclock it with our built-in utility, the OC Get. You can find it on your desktop. About GPU, it still keeps the extreme as usual. It features the GTX 1080, and to our surprise that you can have additional performance thanks to the new CPU embedded. Another important update we did on the X7 DT V8 will be the panel. Now it's refreshed with the 144Hz IPS panel with G-Sync support. I think you guys have realized that how high refresh panel great when you are doing the FPS games such as CSGO or Overwatch, and we even push it further with the G-Sync embedded, which will benefit once the FPS is around 60 or even a little bit lower. So basically it's the perfect gaming screen, perfect gaming panel for the gamers. We also upgrade the control side, like the keyboard. It keeps the great tradition of the AORUS keyboard. It's per key RGB backlit, and we have enhanced it with the NKR or the N key rollover, so which means you will never miss a shot in game or in work. For your convenience, it got the most versatile I/O port. It got 4 USB 3.1 Type A, 1 USB 3.1 Type C, 1 mini DP 1.4, 1 HDMI 2.0, and 1 Thunderbolt 3 with 40 GB bandwidth. You can easily build out the NVIDIA environment. Also, we got the LAN RJ45 LAN port, which is coming from the killer. So basically you can do anything, connect anything on the X7 DT V8. X7 DT V8 is really a beast, but we still keep it slim and try to make it portable. About weight, it only got 7 pounds and the thickness is only 1 inch. It's really amazing that you can squeeze those most powerful CPU and GPU inside this slim chassis, and which will benefit you when you take it outside, no matter to the LAN party or the iCafe. Great sound or great audio quality is the thing that every gamer would appreciate when they're playing games. We truly realize that, so on the new X7 DT V8 we have the 4-speaker system, 2 standard module plus 2 subwoofer, which delivering huge and exciting sound. And through our self-made EQ software, the AORUS Audio, you can set different scenario for the sound setting and have the most immersive audio experience when you play games. So that will be all about the new X7 DT V8. Hope you can learn this model more with this video, and never feel hesitate to leave the comment if you have any questions. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.
AORUS.